I'm sure you've heard the news. Modest apparel isn't just about clothing. Let's unpack it together. All right, theologians, today we're diving into the Greek word kosmios, translated as modest apparel. Now, kosmios appears in 1 Timothy 2:9, and it's often misunderstood. The term kosmios comes from kosmos, meaning order or arrangement. So, the essence of modest apparel isn't just about length or style. It's about presenting oneself in an orderly and respectable manner. Interesting, right? This word encourages believers to reflect inner virtue through their outward appearance. It's less about strict dress codes and more about embodying humility and respect. Think of Kosmios as a call to authenticity. It's about ensuring our exterior aligns with our inner values. So next time you read modest apparel, remember it's about forming a coherent, respectful image that mirrors our inner character. Thanks for joining this theological deep dive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the Word.